Computer. We'll finish up the setup of the Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's take a look at OpenCPN here. We are running version 5.6.2 and I am running Mac OS Big Sur version 11.2.3 on a Mac Mini. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do here is go up to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to look for the connected at sea SSID or network name. Click on that. All right, we're connected there. The first time through, you're going to have to enter a password. I've already done that, but it is in fact password protected. The next thing we're going to do is go over to OpenCPN toolbar, click on Options. From Options, we are going to click on Connections, and I want to go down here under General and click on Show NMEA Debug Window. This will in fact help us to see the stream coming in. So the next thing we're going to do is go down to Add Connection. You have a choice here of serial or network. Is in fact a network connection, and under the protocol we're going to click UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Under address, you can leave the address as it is, 0.0.0.0. You don't need to enter that in OpenCPN, but you do need to enter the data port. Data port in this case is 62100, but that will vary depending on your unit. Okay, so we can leave priority at 1, as this is the only device hooked up. Below you'll see a box, Control Checksum. You want to leave Control Checksum clicked. That is an error detection or error correction a protocol that's a part of the software of NMEA 0183. So it will drop any sentences that are corrupted. They're updated every second, so if the data is dropped, it's quickly replaced. And we're going to leave receive input on this port clicked, and for now you can just go apply. So it says, do you want the application OpenCPN.app to accept incoming connections? I'm going to go allow, and voila, here is the entire NMEA 0183 data stream. This is in fact coming from a GPS, so you've got all the GPS sentences here, but that is in fact all there is to hooking this up. And if I go over to my dashboard here, I can in fact see the GPS is coming in here. So we will leave that off today, and hopefully we'll have a new video within a few days.